Welcome to DLM Campervans. Today we have a 2023 white Ford Transit Connect with a Mini-T conversion. Ford Transit Connect gets 24 to 28 miles to the gallon. Even with our conversion, it fits in a standard 7-foot garage. The vehicle is about 16 feet long, front-wheel drive, blind spot indicators in the mirror, reverse camera, reverse sensing system. On the roof you find our solar. Over there, antenna, 10-speed reversible max air fan, shore power plug if you are at a campground. Also has a hitch with a 2,000-pound towing capacity. Limo tinted rear windows. 4 windows come down for ventilation. Comes with a set of magnetic screens. Also comes with front privacy curtain, WeatherTech front curtains, WeatherTech floor mats. Inside you see we have a vinyl floor, a couch. In the back you have TV, DVD player, 2,000-watt inverter, dual house batteries, microwave that can be used even if you're not on shore power, sink, hand pump faucet, freshwater, gray water storage, thermostatically controlled refrigerator, LED lighting. This has the additional overhead storage. Power driver's seat. It also has the automatic headlights and wipers. The couch quickly folds out into a 43 by 72 inch bed. Rear liftgate acts as an awning, or you could add an optional crossbars and awning. Check out the full details on our website, dlm-distribution.com, or give us a call, 651-285-7089 or 507-382-9446. Happy camping!